In this quick video, I'll show you how to change the battery in Toyota Key Fob. So I got here this type of key fob. All you have to do is to push this little button on the key fob so you can pull the key. And now place the tap of your key to the hole on your key fob and gently open the key fob. Be careful, you don't want to damage that. You don't have to use any tools. Once it's opened, you can see here a little plastic battery protector. We want to gently remove it. Again, be careful because we don't want to crack it. And next, remove the battery. Now we want to place here a new battery. Make sure it's CR2032. You can check link down below on Amazon and place the battery to your key fob. Next, we want to put back the battery protector. Make sure it's placed correctly and then put back the second part of the key fob. Make sure it clicks and then place back the actual key. Now I will try to press the lock, and as you can see it's working because we can see the red dot because before it was not working. So this was how to change the battery of Toyota Key Fob. I hope you find it helpful. See ya next time.